Verse 15. Behold, I am coming as a thief. Blessed is he who watches and keep his garment, lest he walk naked and they see his shame.
Ncwadi kaMshumayeli chapter 8 verse 9. Ngabona konke lokho, ngabeka inhliziyo yami kuyo yonke imisebenzi eyenziwa phansi kwelanga.
9 verse 8.
Sorry.
9 verse 8.
Izinguba zakho mazibe mhlophe ngezikhathi zonke, nekhanda lakho malingasweli amafutha.
Hallelujah. Yes. Keep your garments always white, and ikhanda lakho kumele ligcwale amafutha. Ngizamazi ikhanda lakho kumele ligcwale ini. You must stay anointed. Keep the anointing. Make sure your anointing is on point. Says God. A garment is everything in the realms of the spirit. Your garment in the spirit is one of the most important things ever. Says God. Yeah, garments are in the spirit. If we're talking about lifting of man, we are not talking about what a man says or what a man displays, but garments are deeper than that. But it is what you are clothed with in the realms of the spirit. A garment is what you are clothed with in the realms of the spirit. A garment ilento oyembethe ezweni likamoya nikhona kodwa kanza kwena. Akusona nje isambatho senyanga. Some people when they read the scriptures, they thought that abakhuluma ngesambatho nje senyanga lana kukhulunywa ngesambatho samoya. Romans 13 verse number 14 Bible lithi mbathanda umuntu abathu Kristo. You must be clothed with the man by the name of Jesus. In the book of Galatians 3 down by the verse uthi Apostle Paul asesembethe Kristo. I think it's verse number 26. So ukumqoka empilweni yakho iloko okwembethe kamoya than lokho kusho ngomlomo wakho. Ngiyangizwa ngako sibe sihlabelela sisho sithi inkosi ngembathise. Inkosi ngenze njani? Ngembathise. Clothe me, Father, ngembathise, because there is a way you appear in the realms of the spirit. It's either you are powerful or powerless, productive or you are just a figure, a foreignness to the Lord in the realms of the spirit. So being in church doesn't mean you are clothed. You have to then ask the Father to clothe you. You have to ask the Father to do what? To clothe you. Every garment oyokuyifaka kamoya inendaba emva kwayo. It tells a story about you in the realms of the spirit. Whatever you will wear ezweni lakamoya. Basundi kathi Revelations lithi bobani laba abagqoka ingubo ezidabukile kodwa simhlophe bathi yilaba abaphuma ekukhandlekeni kwane komhlaba. See, now their garments were revealed in the realms of the spirit. Their garments were seen as torn garments in the realms of the spirit. The book of Zacharias, yes, I believe it's verse chapter number 3 actually. Go to asimembathise lo muntu okuthiwa uJoshua, the filthy garments, as far as the pure and white garments. Why? Because if your garments are stained in the spirit, they expose what we call a flaw or a fall in the spirit. They expose also a flaw in the spirit. So tikona into is pambe moya. And that means nabantu bashumayelayo, they also receive from the flow. Now what they are going to be bad because you are wearing a spiritual garment engeko right. Now whatever you release via your spiritual garment as well like a moya iwela kulabantu. So tama thought patterns wako inkulumo zako ijwayele imithandazo yakho yenzayo bese ifoma iposture yakho yakamoya that determines ukuthi umuntu ngaphansi sakho uzo receive ina. So if ukamba manga kakhulu abangaphansi sakho bazo receive amanga kakhulu. One of my mentors wrote on Facebook and he said you don't have to tell the church to pray. You have to be a praying pastor so that the church will follow suit and become a praying church. Don't tell the church to be on fire. You as a pastor, you will become what we call a flame of fire. You be on fire and the church will be on. Will be on fire. Number 2, a torn garment to dabuga besambato sakho sakamoya nako kuyisign. It's a sign. If it's just torn, it is not just broken, it has become an entry point of disorder. Dabuga ingubo yakho yakamoya noma sembatho sakho sakamoya shothi uSathane usengangena. See now, when there is inconsistency in prayer, dishonesty in worship, what will happen is uSathane uyobona isikhala bese ufuna ukusivala. It will become a footstool of the enemy. In the book of Leviticus, I will find the scriptures as I'm flowing now. Let it don't mix the garments. Linen, let it be linen. Don't mix linen with wool. Let my priests be dressed with linen. Why? uNkulunkulu akathanda ukuthi sikherishe iconfusion. Akafune siphathe into engapha nangapha. Usona ubambe iwool phinde ubambe linen. Shothi ubambe into yomhlaba phinde ubambe into yakamoya. Ubaba ufuna ubambe into eyi-one, ugqoke into enjani eyi-one, ungabe mbaqa mbili. I always tell people angeke usifake isiphandla bese uyakholwa, angeke ugaba ubuhlalo bese uyakholwa. Why? Kuyaphambana lokho kubina. Njengomuntu ombathe isambatho selinena bese ufaka newula, ubaba akayifuni uyayiprohibita into enjalo. But abantu abaningi esivama ukuhlangana nabo esontweni, they are wearing what we call stitched garments. When I'm talking about stitched garments, shothi kuyadabuka lento kodwa wakhona ukuyithunga ayibuyisele nanoma engeke isafana naleya ngubo ayithola le ekuqaleni ebeyipure inganathunga, kodwa you can expect that person to help you and support you. Why? They know how it feels like to be dressed in a dirty garment. They know how it feels like to be dressed in a torn garment. So lo muntu wasiyabona ukuthi ngikona ngiyiwashe bese ngiyayithunga. So nawuhamba nabantu esontweni kukhona laba abalimele bese bakhona laba esebapholile. Abagizwe laba kukhona laba abalimele bese bakhona laba abapholile. Bengathi mina ungabalandeli kakhulu laba abalimele, landela kakhulu laba abapholile ngoba labalimele isilonda sabo basayayithola isolution yaso. So into abazokunikeza yona ubomvu, into ezohlala nje nuke ibole. Kanti umuntu opholile yilo opholile ozokutshela ukuthi sigezwa kanje isilonda size sigcine sibe right. Because now if you're talking to a head person that is not healed, they will teach you how to accommodate the pain of being a head instead of healing the pain and healing the wound. It is better to follow one with scars than the one with wounds. Little Bible just what after the resurrection, Timothy, actually, Thomas, what what we call a scars, after the resurrection, what singo pisulonda walalela bantu abanesilonda sopayo angeke bakufundise ukuthi usilaphe ngesakho. uJesu akanaso isilonda sakena esingakaphola. uJesu isilonda sakhe saphola noma abethelwa makaphakanyiswa bekane silonda esesipholile. Ungabalandeli kakhulu laba abalimele. We are here to lift you back today. You see, when we ulalela abantu abalimele basengakaphola, follow people abalimala base bayendlula kule pain eza nokulimala, base bayendlula futhi kule pain eyalethwa yilabantu ababalimaza, base bayendlula futhi kule ideology yokulimala, base bathi I am healed. Now they searched for healing and they were healed. Little just what the man Mark chapter number 5. Little I told her in a busy. Yes, sing and daughter, and yayo pagota. Little just what shalana pansa, white gesa, white cogis, little batima babuya, ilonda says Pauline, into dance, what to just hamburger, yes, I never saw Mushepela, and nobody slonda, Abekova, says Pauline, your sebenza, Senaka Poli, is Londa, Congo, Gala, Upsuma, Nega Gubera. That's your biggest issue. You start things as in God don't send us Londa, Salela, Sugapor, Besafuna, Shabelela, Pauline said Jehovah, I'm a man, let me not move forward while I am bleeding, I wanna move healed, because those who are healed, they will be made whole. But those who are bleeding, they still seek after healing of their wounds. Police, police, Shumayeli silimele, bathandaze ngilimele, bathandazela abantu ngilimela. Ngena ngosumpolice, ngisebenze silonda sesivalekile, amanxeba sewapholile, ngingasebenze ngilimele. Police overnight, oh, I can't wait for 3 months of Paula. Police Jehovah, yanglimaza lento abayenza, abayisho, abayikhuluma ngami, ngingekho kodwa Baba, in you can't forgive if you're still hurt. You can't forgive if you're still bleeding. You can't move on if you're not Paul. You are delaying the flow of your destiny. It is time to be healed and be made whole, so that we move forward and go on with life. There is a life after pain. There is a life after pain. There is purpose after pain. There is alignment after pain. There is ignition after pain. The devil shouldn't take your narrative because of pain. We sleep with pain. We stay in pain. But we master the sphere of pain. And as is Pakamsabane, what the love of Shuma Bebakona, Susan of Shante, from the room of pain to the other side. In the name of people don't give you what they say, they give you what they were. In the if I'm dressed in prayer and intercession as I speak, we exchange values and truth and virtues in the spirit. But our morning yamen will lose on my time. But in the humble, I'm not virtues, I'm a truth, I am clothed with that. Manjum tandazo, ikianibium tandazo, indoya moi sambulo, lobunza shumaela, lentiam de that system yako. It's not what I say, it is what I wear. Number tisewena, Isaiah not demanding about it. So that banga boni mina, abone wena, let me disappear as you appear. See, Gorano Munda Batuchisa. Let me teach for a second. Garments reveal dimensions that conversion can never uncover. Some people are good speakers, powerful speakers, potent speakers, vibrant speakers, flamboyant speakers, but they are good with it, they are good with words, but they control words. We control atmospheres, we control places and territories. The prodigal son, the Bible is my boy. What to Baba? I want Martin. Itu Baba Kipela Kijasa, Wayambatisa, the prodigal son. Shadows of Supu, was of Subula, what to Jehovah's of Batisa. What to Jehovah, Batisa, in Batisa, in the name of garments are deeper because they expose a man's spiritual position. That's why people who are prophetic and people who are used by God for miracles, signs, wonders like healing and stuff like that. When Shumaela was a pulpit parame, no Michelle Pans, but Africa Nama Shumael, Africa at by his word, you are healed today. You did the Petegamande, there's your hammer, there's your Suawaya, no Mutu Hindayam, some people are studying, we know truth, we never see a seal, we never dimension about a hand.
singahambi kuyona thina sihamba kuyo simente ngaphambi kwakho sishumela kanje kunabathakathi abawayo kunemithi ephuphayo kunabolamlamba abakuyekayo kuneyibopho edabukayo kunamathe akhelekayo kuneminyaka evulekayo because we know our God is with us. Our God is with the book of Zechariah kwathiwa mbathisene ezinye khiphani leso nathi ngimenzele izinto ezinkulu. I want to do something glorious through him. But baba mkhumulele lezamba ngoba i-assignment yakho iza nesambatho sakho. Sometimes we are bekwentwena kana ulembathiselwa yona ake ubuse endaweni ungake mbathile abakamantale akho uLazaro wakaphume emathuneni wathi uJesu susana nesambatho sethuna nimbathiso usha chapter number 12 wa Johana lithi walungisa iphathi ngoba umazwe mbathiso uJehova impilo yakhe isuka from pain into a banquet, from humiliation into higher height, from misery to mysteries usuka phansi isephezo khona shinto uJehova na anandaba nethuna lakho ngendaba yokuthi yaphuma kulo namhla anandaba uhleli isikhathi eside kangakanani ngendaba yokuthi yaphuma kulo namhla. Somebody shout, I'm coming out. So every garment that you have in the spirit now is a sign of your position. Utugepe kamoya, utugepe gopi kamoya. Number two, principles. Ukuyokuveza igarment yakhe kamoya. Siyazi ukuthi principled kanganani ngoba igarment yakhe kamoya. Can't be careful. Bese asawazi ama principles, ama intercessors. If you're a watchman, uthi wena you are a seer and you are a watchman, siyawazi ama principles of seers. Now bese read Bible by their fruit, you will know them. So umuntu akayiclaim position, but the principle yositshela ukuthi lo muntu lo vele uyiyo lento athiyo, but iprinciple yaphambana nalento ayenzayo. Siyeza ukuthi uyayiclaima lento akuyona yakho ngoba kunama principles ophila ngawo mawubekwe ndawo encwadini yeNumbers kuthiwa hey wena mfaza encwadini yaJudges kuthiwa hey wena mfaza lo muntu ozomzala igama lakhe uzometha ukuthi uSamsona kodwa nabo efuna ukwazi umNazare ukhona ngabuhle ukhona ngakwenza but principles lawo anikezwa umuntu oyosayolwa nama-giants osayolahla phansi ama-giants osayobamba yena bathi maphila endawo uistadium sonke but lento ikhulunywa ngakafile ngoba angabe uJehova kwazi before uvele lomhlaba Jeremiah akwazi usasehlwile wasekunikeza amandla okusiphula amakhalatali yakho sanikezwa lento asinikezwa abafundisa sazalelwa yona sazalwa sinayo akazi uphethe yina abaphathisa yona bantu bendlela but I stand as a prophet understand yakapata yonke into ephethe engaveli Jehova iyawa okuka Jehova iyasala indelebo principle. Umuntu siko ombatho Jehova iperception yakhe yashintsha indlela yakhe yokubuka izinto yashintsha indlela yakho yokubuka izinto yashintsha bana inhlakanipho yasezulwini bana inhlanzeko yasezulwini yakezwakala ukuthi uJehova ukhona kule mpilo yalomuntu nikhona kade akazakala now the purity of his power. The garments that you wear in the spirit, they expose the purity of your power. Amanje akho siyawezwa thina ukuthi nawo esekwa la kunempande la kulamandla ngokuthi mawuyenza lento singabi nokuthula emoyeni kube nento kube ne-unease namoyeni wethu mawuyenza noma ayinamandla kangakanani but kunento ethi ngqifi la ngaphandle uJesu bakenza izinto yakhona into ebeyibusisa nabantu abaduzana abanye babamjikela kodwa baduzane bebayithabela funa lento mawuyenza umoya wethu ujabule mawuyenza sithi uyasebenza ubaba singase siyasola. That's God. Number two, the comments they reveal what we call productivity without needing proof. Productivity without needing proof. Asibuza kaningi abantu bathi nenza ngani ukuthi abantu benze kangaka esontweni. Ngoba abantu abaseze esontweni sithena ile garment lengubo esiyigqoke kaMoya abalandeli thina balandela lengubo yakaMoya basiyamazi umelusi baba siyamazi uyosibiza ngamagama sisabele siyamazi umelo siyamazi umelo so when you're wearing a garment now you carry presence without needing as announcement.
uphethe nje i-present smakuvela kezwakala no yabesikhona thina safika futhi kodwa ukhona safikile manje semngene indoda madoda manje singenile thina yebo kezwakala kodwa khona lo sangene manje inamadimona avele yezwa ukuthi sekhona onyathele kule ndawo after today okhaya mantakapaya angwazi onyathela kuliphindeke la uyovela khona uyozwakala kuthiwa indaba ngoJesu zakwala eka-Israyeli nawe kanjalo la uyonyathela khona uyozwakala in the name of prophetic alignment without needing validation. Mina into engenzayo prophetically angidinga ukubuza umuntu ukuthi right noma wrong because ngiyamazi umthumeli. Ngiyamazi umthumeli. Because even when I prophesy anginandaba ukuthi uyaswata, anginandaba uyakwata, mina ngitshela ukuthi uthi ubaba ngiphume kuwe. Ngoba mina ngisho lokho engitshelwe kona. Ngiyakuzwa ukuthi ngenzalo. Ngisho lokho engitshelwe ngoba ngiceda futhi ngahamba. Ngisuke ngidapha. Angidinga validation yakho. It's true man of God even if it's false. Mina ngiyakunikeza ngoba kuvela kubaba. Kungenzeka kuseka kuqonda manje kodwa ngokuhamba kwesikhathi ngokude bendlela umphako wakho wenyama masuphelile uyofuna lo mgodla wakaJesu bese uthi lento bekayisho lo yamfana bekaqinisile ngoba isiyenzeka nini man. If God has said it, I know it is true. I know it is. That's good. A garment will tell you a man's direction before he even moves. Yabona umuntu ombethe sembatho sakomoya siyamazi uzobheka phi, siyamazi uzowenzani, siyayazi indlela yakhe yokucabanga ngoba yonke into ayenza ihambisana nescripture, ivumelana nescripture. Ngeke bezohamba ngendlela esingayiqondi kanti phela wona ukuthi umntana kaNkulunkulu. If wembethe Kristu kunendlela ohamba ngayo, kunendlela ogqoka ngayo. Ngekungitshela nje ukuthi hey mfundisi ngeke ngikhona ukwenza lokho kodwa ku-biblical njani manje ngoba lokho ku-biblical kodwa lokho ngekho biblical bese umfundisi uyokwenza lokho. Whether you'll always choose something scriptural, something morally correct, something ethically correct, something that is supported by the Bible. Yonke into yenzayo ngoba unesembatho sakamoya, nesembatho sani, and you will know his devotion before he speaks. Or you think, but some of you think that because asimbona ukuthi niyathandaza noma nithandaza angeke siniswe ukuthi anithandazi. Ongathandazi uyezwakala, othandazayo futhi uyezwakala. Khona abantu bakhuluma phambi kwakho uzuthi abantu bakhuleka lo. Kodwa khona umnye omaphambi kwakho uzokuthi yabo lo akakhuleka umntwana ozomneza umuntu lo. Akakwazi ukukhuleka lo. Uyezwakala umuntu othandazayo. Uyezwakala futhi umuntu okhuluma into ayaziyo. Uyezwakala nomuntu okhuluma into ayifunde phansi ayazi. Useyakake wa experience. Ngaphandle mangabe nibhizi ngabantwana ku Sunday school, thina sesibadala kanzima nje sibomba kade bona. Siyayazi into eright nento ebhedayo. Mina ngeke ungibambe ngamagama ngingayizwi mention. Bangayizwa lengubo yakamoya noma ngazokhuluma amagama namandla kanganani namakhulu kanganani. I want to feel the power of God. Funa ngizwe uNkulunkulu power of God ayiveli ngoba uyamemeza. Funa ngizwe ukuthi something is shifting kule atmosphere. Ungathi uyakhuluma bese kulala nje amanye amakhaza. Sesiyibuze lapho ukuthi ubani osakhuluma asisebenzisa semmoshana sisivalele ngamakhaza kangaka. I prophesy to you today, your words will be quoted by the power of God. Your words will be quoted by the anointing of God. In the name of... The garment will expose the mental posture of a person. The mental posture of a person. A mental posture of a person. So what do you say? La unjani la. Ngesembatho sakho unjani kuphi. There is a prophetic endulo siyezwa ukuthi when they were heard bovele bakhumula isembatho badabula ngisho manje bakhumula isembatho benze njani badabula yabo ukuthi since lento yasitshela ukuthi engqondweni njani mentally njani. If you are heard siyobona ngesembatho sakho in the days of old siyezwa ukuthi noDavid bakezwa ukuthi umntana kufile wadabula impahla zakhe walala phansi kodwa kodwa ngani zakhe babathi ufile wadabula impahla zakhe wenza njani walala phansi. Lento yesembatho sakho sakamoya iyasitshela ukuthi kamoya kamoya ume njani futhi mentally ume njani. Nako kunye spiritual location ukuthi ukuphi kamoya sibona ngesembatho sakho samoya. indlela yakhe yokucabanga, indlela yakhe yokukhuluma, indlela yakhe yokuthandaza, indlela yakhe yokukhonza uNkulunkulu iyasitshela ukuthi kamoya ukuphi, ngoba kunezinto ongasakhona ukuzenza because you are no longer a baby in the spirit, you are now a father in the spirit. So sekulukhulu ukukwenza mangibonana, ngoba wena sekunabantu abazolimala mawungake wenze into. Uyangizwa manje, kunabantu abazo-influenceka kabi mawungake wenze into engekho right, your spiritual location and also your internal order, ukuthi la ngaphakathi u-right noma uyabheda. Sibona ngesambatho sakho sakamoya, into zenza basesontweni ziyasembulela lona ukhulile kamoya noma useseyibaby kamoya. Yeswakala umuntu omkhulu nokhulile kamoya nomuntu osaseyingane kamoya. Sibona ukuthi this one is a kanios, anthropos ngesigreek. Umntwana is a baby, newborn baby in the spirit, ngoba lento yenzayo yenziwa ama-newborn babies, newborn. God. That is why I said Matthew 7 verse number 6 said by their fruits you will know them. Why? Because fruit is simply the outward evidence of the inward garment. Angeke ukhiphe uthando unomona ngaphakathi. Angeke uveze inhlonipho ngaphandle une disrespect ngaphakathi. Asoze. Mina I always tell you, mawungahloniphe ekhaya uhloniphe esontweni. Mawungakhuzeke ekhaya ukhuzeke esontweni. Noma singakuzama kanganani inhliziyo enhle baba, noma singayincenye esontweni ukuthi ugcine unayo, mawunenhliziyo embi nje from ekhaya sizobathe siyakuncenga yiguqule enkulunkulu, iguqode ingaguquki ngoba vele into nawe sayemukele. Ngeke babuthule ngaphandle ukukhuluma ngaphakathi, akukavamisile ukwenzeka ngoba hamba kwesikhathi ugcina ubhama kuhle kwakhanana esinye isitoke esithanda ukufutheka ezi-defense mechanism ya ugcina ube nokuhukumala ube ngakagcina ukukhuluma lento uyiphimisela ngoba uyifanele ngaphakathi. The fruits ovezayo even usesontweni of a disorder, of a corruption, of what we call a dishonesty, ayisayine ukuthi umuntu onjani ngaphakathi. Ngeke kuhluphe wena uyi-one esontweni bese uthi ngaphakathi unakuthula kunamanga. So ukuthi lokuhlupha kukuphi kungaphakathi sekuvela ngaphandle. Ya isonto nalenkinga lifaka the litmus paper liya-exposana isonto. Mangabe upower hungry isonto liyakuveza ukuthi upower hungry ngoba awuzibona bekho abantu awuzibona wena ukuthi uyazi-expose ukuthi ubole kanganani ngaphakathi kwakho. Ubelokuvela nje ngaba mina everyday kumele ngicela ubaba ngicela uyiguqule eyami intando uyifanise neyakho, ngicela ungithinte ngaphakathi, hlanza umoya wami, hlanza inhliziyo yami, nilungise baba ngoba uyovela phambi kwabantu uhlazeke ukuthi umbona yinto nayo ngaphakathi, ubuso buyapretenda wena unomona. Isonto nenkolo kuyawuveza umona, uvele uzubonwe abantu ukuthi lona unomona. UJudas ahamba noJesu, wathi umfazi omunye anikela nemali yakhe, abekho abantu bamlana, anikele ngemali yakhe alabasta, ayishaye wageza inyawo zaJesu, wathatha alabasta obisa inyawo zaJesu, wathi le mali engayisetshenzisiwe ukwenzani ukunikele labampofa. Wathi uJesu, that doesn't come from the heart of love. Umona hamba noJesu ka-expose baba ukuthi uyathakatha noma umntana kaNkulunkulu uyavela. Ayabekho abantu bamla uyavela. And awuzibona ubonwa yithi ngesithi we kwavela angaboni kwavela angaboni kwavela angaboni. And kubuhlungu ukuthi ndivele ungaboni. You see now, people who are wearing the garments of the spirit, they are not defined by status, but they are defined by structure. Not status. No, prophet. That is why I'm saying, stress masingaka TikTok manje sivule account yami manje angiwesablo ngoposta upostwa yini sihlekana abanye bakaka bulihlamba lapha ngaphansi. Mina nginankinga kulimala wena, mina ngilimala. Why? Uthi umpostwe Paul, to the weak I make myself weak so that I can lift them. To those who are not wise, uthi I make myself as if I'm wise so that I do what I lift them. Banteng balandile
bajikile ngokuzehlisa ngelevel ephansi kangaka. Baningabi abanye balana namhlanje lokho besilapha emngeneni kwasePola. Abanye bangibuza umfundisi isonto lingena ngobana ngoba bangibona ngoba bangazi somewhere bayazi ukuthi kuyakhulumeka nalo mfundisi lo akanaye umoya wekunkunkumela wena bakunikeze iposition encane so uvula amagwabha awusakhulumiseke nasekhaya usathendeka so uzahamba nje uhamba kuhle wengalangala awusakhulumiseke so ufaka lamarogo akho ungakhulumiseki so ufaka lamaduku akho sekuvela lento iyona ngaphakathi uJehova uyakulungisa namhlanje in the name of Tina. We are not defined by appearance, we are defined by alignment. That's your problem. That is why I always say that the appearance yakho can fool us. But alignment yakho ngeke isiluthe ngeke isifake emeneno but umuntu wakho wengaphandle ungamgcokisa sigebenge eThekwini abake baye eThekwini bayaza iphara laseThekwini ngeke likhuthuze kodwa isigebenge baba yilo bhuti ogcoke njengami uvela so acela usizo ngathi yakushela uzothatha ifoni. Now keep your phone to when I am calling number. Now we keep your issue la balege nayo. Now we are taking. Now we are calling. Our the kutus abanda bagoge gambi. Abanda bagoge gambi. Appearance can fool you and dissipate alignment again. Alignment again. I am alive. Somebody say I am alive. And the good was to find out it's our nature, not our noise. Justify in nature yethu ayumsindo abanye abantu babamsindo but they don't have the nature of God. Abanayo nature kaNkulunkulu banomsindo nje ngabaBhayibheli lithi ngingakhuluma ngelimi zonke kodwa uthando kasinature na kodwa uthando mangenalo lithi lifana nensindi eyenza njani enkenke. Jesus Christ, your nature sibuka asidaba nomsindo wakho thina ungahlabelela kamnandi kodwa inature yakho iyasaka because the devil was a worshipper too. Ungathandaza uzokhala inyembeza but inature yakho isivezela ukuthi lona akaveli kuphi uJehova. Ama-Muslim ayathandaza, inyanga ziyathandaza, amasela ayathandaza, abadayisa umzimba bayathandaza. It is your nature, not your noise, that defines you. How are you with people who are lower than you? How do you talk to people who like now are expecting anything from them? How do you treat people who earns less than you? Ukhuluma njani abantu abangasebenza? Uphila njani abomakhelwane abahluphekayo? Sibona lapho ke lento ukuthi umzalwane nomuyisilwane. My babo kandela umakana hasa amina ndaba nomyakwata kodwa it's not the noise, it is nature. It is what you guard your garment. You guard your, if you are a son of God, you guard your garment because you understand that your life is red before it is head. Impilo yakho ifundwa abantu bakakuzwa ukhuluma bakufunde nje usedeni but mntana kaNkulunkulu le asibe incwadi efundekayo hayi incwadi ekhulumayo efundekayo. Before I am head I will be read. Bazongifunda bangakakhulume. Abanye abantu ba gifted baba they can send spirits and discern spirits. Ukhulume bashaya izandla abantu kodwa bona they can discern spirit lona unomoya omubi ngaphakathi kwabo ngoba nesela livela njengomngane. If you see now, a mature tone artist appears as a friend with favors that they know that you need. They study you first before they come to you. It's a very destiny helper. But whatsoever so I don't know what is in a government edge. Basfundas vela bantu. Basfundas senza njani? Sivela bantu. Omunye wakuzwa nje ukhuluma kabi ngomunye umuntu. Somphethele manje ini iflyer uthi uyaminvite esontweni athi angifuni nokulibona isonto lakho wena ukhuluma abantu kambi kanje ngabe uzwe eTexini wena iye uyibhenga wakhuluma baze bakunikeza amanzi ukhuluma ngomunye umuntu osonta naye. Mina ke mangiye esontweni ngiyobe ngiyowenzana ngoba wena ukhohlakele izomosindele uyafuna abanye abantu abakhona ukusondela kuthina thina ngoba siyabheda from a distance. Siba bahle mangabe sesila umuntu simbona ukuthi uyasazi, but from a distance siyabheda. uNkulunkulu akasize. Ngiyayiphinda lento noma ngibheka phansi, uNkulunkulu akasize ngoba abantu base basondele sesiveza uthando, kodwa ngoba sekudeni asibafune nokubabuka kana ayikala kulaba bale iginelo.
That's God. So you see, people who are wearing spiritual garments, they pursue purity in everything they do. They pursue what? Purity. They want to be pure. I want to be pure. Uthi Jesu akusiyo into engenayo engcolisa umzimba, uthi yinto enjani ephusha ukuthi ngeke ayikhulume into engengcolisa umzimba wakhe. Ngeke ayiadvocate le into ayazi ukuthi iyongcolisa ini umzimba. Mawuthelalela kwabanye abantu, how can you say this ngoba this one is staining your garment. Abanye abantu abangangcoliswa igazi nganza kwethu lesitha imagamenzo wabo ngoliswa magama abakhulumile hating their own brothers in the Lord. So they pursue purity because they know that power without purity is dangerous. You can be powerful, but the impurities makes you a threat in the house of God. Impediments, they make you a threat in the house of God. Namanje sibabona ukuthi yebo amandla unawo noma angaba nawo, kodwa siyacela baba uve wabambile anga manifest because of their impurity. Sibathe siyabuka lo muntu lo unenhliziyo embi, mangathi une power singalimala instead ukuthi sakheke. Bangathola unikeza iplatform angalimaza instead ukuthi akhona ukwelusa abantu noma luleka abantu. Jehova sicela uyibambe lento akashe nayo kuze kususwe neimpurity abe pure bese uyasebenza. Power without purity is dangerous. I think that is why most of you are no longer receiving money from God. Power without impurity is dangerous. Some doors are not opened. They are not in front of you. It's because you are impure. You are impure. You are impure. As God. My prayer is that may you be found clothed. May you be found. But go Adam ukuphi wavela Adam wazuyambuza yini manje lo soyigqokile, yini manje lo soyifakile. Inkosi sisibone singuno manje sase uyabona ukuthi okunye kunokuthandaza ukuthi ubaba makabuya afana kuthola wembethe akatholi uhlubuli ubuze bakho bantu ufuna bangabazi ya okunye na uhlubula kwakho nobuhlungu bakho abanye abantu ufuna hlupheka kwakho, abanye abantu ufuna abafane bafanisele ukuthi uyahlupheka, hayi ukuthi vele wena hana okunye mele ukumbathisa ngizwa kodwa okunye mele number one, let's right now says your parliament. A man's garment is the true measure of his spiritual stature, no spiritual state, not his speech. A man's garment in the spirit is the true measure of his spiritual state, not his speech. You can have powerful speech, but your spiritual state is revealed by your garment in the spirit. In the book of Ecclesiastes 5 verse number 2, the Bible says, do not be hasty with your mouth. Do not be hasty with your what? With your mouth, because God is in heaven and on earth. But ungenzi ithembiso emhlabeni ngegama lenkosi uthi uzoyenza lento kana ngeke uyenze liphelele lisho kanjalo ngoba uNkulunkulu usezulwini wena ukuphi ungavuzi la ungabi manzi la ke ngabazalwane bamanzi la fundisa uyofela la ufela khona imvuselelo uyovela kuzo zonke kodwa imvuselelo uvele kweyi1 manje siyakhaza siyaabura uyakhaza usheshe wavuza la ungathembise kana ngofeza mfundisi ungesabi mina ngizoyithwala transport seyakwehlula sawusabamba amafoni awusaphendula ma WhatsApp ungavuzi la lokuvuza la kuyasitshela ukuthi ugqoke isambatho esidabukile kabona. Words can be arranged, but garments cannot be faked. You can't fake garments.
baningi abantu ideko yethu amasudu wami ngisho nekari phakathi. They are trying all means bafane ba mention nomfundisi bathi ku spirit time. They are trying but they can't fake. Isambatho sakamoya angeke usifeke. Into yomuntu eyakhe angeke bese uyayithatha wena. Noma ngathi uyamkopela nomsa angeke kwenzeke uyitha into mayiyakhe cannot be fake. Cannot be. What do we mean by garments now? We mean that what a man consistently does becomes a garment yakhe. Lento yenza njalo iba garment yakho. Njengomuntu otshontshayo nje noba angafuni ukuthi sibabize uthi igebengu kodwa vele yini? Yes, othakathayo uyini? Noma angazasonke kodwa uyini? Ophusayo uyini? Noma akafundi lento oyenza njalo ugcina sekusembatho sakho kuyi-identity yakho kuyi-persona yakho. That's God. But a man consistently will always what a man is consistently will always outweighs what he occasionally says. Abantu ezisoyo asizizwa thina sizwa lokho kwenza every day. Unomona lawo. Action speaks louder than senzo umuntu omuhle kodwa umpi izenzo zakho ziyala ukuthi uyasonta umzalwane. Your actions are speaking louder than your words. Number 2, garments determine impartation because you receive from who a person is. Garments determine what we call impartation because you receive from who a man is, not what they claim to be. You receive what a man is from the inside, not what they claim they are. You can't go around telling people, I'm major. Why aren't there prophets under you if you're major? Because major prophets have got prophets under them. Yeah, we've got Major one, we've got also another prophet from Zimbabwe, Human Angel. He is calling himself who? Major. They are calling themselves what? Major. The Human Angel has got over 7 million plus registered members. 7 million plus. When you major, what is on the left hand? Does it make sense? So it's busy on Bishop what about a sitting room. Something is wrong somewhere. So it's busy on Bishop when something is wrong somewhere. It's just a name. It's just a what? 2 Kings chapter 2 verse number 8. Elijah took his mantle and struck the wood. You know upizutshela abantu I've got a gift of healing. Please abantu. You don't even have to tell us what we have a gift. Umsebenzi wakho ufuna ukukhulumela. But you have the what? Kwangutshela abantu ukuthi umechanic ukuthi asiyiboni ikaro ilungisile. Kuyasebenzela na. Wena ungayibikisa nje imoto yakho kumuntu othi yena I am a mechanic. But awuboni imoto ayilungisile nayilungisayo. But hamba yakutshela I am a mechanic. Ungayibikisa imoto yakho. So what we want to see results. Let the mantle speak for you. Let the mantle. That's God. It was not just Elijah's voice that parted the water. It was his mantle. In case of vula iminyango yakho igarment yakho yakamona. Ungamemeza mthandazweni baba bakuvule for 7 full days ungavule. Shout exam, shout them in, shout them down. Why you don't have the mantle that opens doors? Then the prophet comes into your life and say, I'm seeing a closed door, I'm opening it now. Immediately, okay, what you wear in the spirit is what carries transferable power. Lento oyiyoka moya. Yabo lento ukhona ukuyifaka abantu abakho. Lento ukhona ngisho ukuyifaka abantu abaduzane nawe. Ithandazela ukuthi baba ngicela uyenze ibe transferable. Because every power that comes from God can be transferred. Father, if I can transfer this into my own kids, show me other kids I can transfer this to. But ithandazela ukuthi baba ngicela ukuthatha lokho. Ngikunike abanye ungahlali ungafi nento kanti wayibukela kuJehova. Yayizobosleyo. Father, help me to
transfer this power. Help me to transfer this. Jude 1 verse number 23. Hate even the garments defiled by the flesh. You must hate even the garments defiled by the... Stained garments will train you. Stained garments will do what? Will train you. Because impurity attracts disorder actually and weakens those who are connected to it. You will become weak in the spirit. You will become weak in the... A demon nje eliyi-1 leli bathi mtokolosho lala nabantu yoqeda ngawo uyobeloku apenjwa namhlanje ukulindile. Even today wenze njani? Libe lokudlala ngawo nje demoni uthi ngiyashada mina libe lokuhleka nje lo hle. Why? Because you are not strong in the spirit. There is impurity. Fight the impurity. Yini lento yovulela this kind of a spirit fire akutshela uJehova, then deal with that. Once you deal with the source, you will go far. Because some of these spirits are attracted by disorder in our life. Some of the spirits are attracted by stains in our life. So when we are drained of the power in the spirit, what happens? The demons enter. Do you want to find a inkomo? Maybe nomkhaza kodwa ibanani amazeze yini amakhululu lezi zinto zima-tics igcine sigula nje. Ibulawa yini ilezinto ezikhangele la isikhumbeni sami. Niyayizwa ukuthi impilo injani. Nawe kunezinto ezikhangele susa lezinto. Uyazazi futhi izinto lezi eBhayibhelini lahlani umthwalo. Uyayazi into ebeloku ikunqa amandla, ibeloku idonsa amandla. Uyayibona this thing is draining me kodwa uyaqhubeka. But uyazi this thing is draining me. Do something that empowers you than the ones that drains you. Focus more on the things that empowers you, not the things that drains you. Because uzokhala inyembezi. Dibona lithi baselifike kahle ukhala inyembezi mawazi ukuthi amandla usase wawunawo. Bible to Samson wavuka akaba ukuthi amandla usasenawo kana wasekho. Yena in his mind he thought he still have power but he didn't have what? Power. Father, let me be removed from an atmosphere, exonerated from an atmosphere, a drainer power. A drainer in it? Yes, God. Defilement is not contained, it spreads. It ikala ngawe lento bese ingena kwabantu bakho. Ikala ngawe bese ingena kwabangani bakho. Ikala ngawe bese ingena kwabantu ohlala nabo. Lento iyaqhubeka, lento idila nayo manje. Idila nayo nini? Yes, association with corruption invites a gradual erosion of strength and clarity. Let me say that again. Association with corruption invites gradual erosion of strength and clarity. Ngeke uzwe noma ukhuluma ngesikuzo ukuthi ufuna ukuthini. Kunabantu ongabezwe bafuna ukuthini. Iyaphi lenkulumo lo muntu lo awuyizwa ukuthi ibhekephi. Lento ayiqalayo ufuna ukuthini avela kubhore nje. Lapho yena ubhiza uthini akazizwa nana. Sithola qale ngaso sokushintshile sokwenye indawo. Uyezwa ukuthi lento ayina line, ayina choreography, ayilandelane, ayina ma chronicles are right. Uyazi uzufisa ukuthi no ngaze ngimvala umlomo manje banenkani labangazizwa nabo bathini. Anenkani. Akezwa ngoba uyamkhuza nje uthi ngeke nimthulise mina akuvume ngoba ngethule. Last but not least, torn or incomplete garment expose vulnerabilities that opens doors to instability. Torn or incomplete garments expose vulnerability that opens doors to instability. If we don't spiritualize this, we can just generalize it. If we generalize it, we can talk about miniskirts. Every miniskirt reveals what we call vulnerability. Right? Yeah. Okay, let's read the statement again. Torn or incomplete garment, miniskirt, exposes vulnerability that opens doors to instability. The reason mafaka miniskirt is because we hear your vulnerability is now exposed. The reason was that is when I teach my daughters in private space, I tell them don't take pictures during ovulation. Just expose. Lindo, every time you take a picture while you are in your ovulation period, I'm not going to text her fast. Because no more ufuna ukulala kula mehlweni akho and amadoda akho uyisensa lento. That's why it's easy for a man to enter a room like this and see ukuthi ubani ngihamba naye namhlanje. One drunk man enters a tavern kunamantombazana sober kodwa aphume nomuntu osoba yena dake. One drunk man. Why? They can sense ukuthi ubani who is ready to to give it away. They can sense. Siphiwe lo indoda iyazi ukuthi lo ngalala naye, lo ngengilala naye, lo sengifane ngiyenza nje, ayikho into engizoyithola la. But there are things you don't have to reveal because something is incomplete. Ngakho mina okunye ngikupost, mina nangihlupheka khona ngipost, ngalesikhathi sengiright ngiposta khona ngihlupheka. Wena uthi uhlupheka uposta ngohlupheka kwakho, status sakho pain, ubuhlungu ungibani na, ubuhlungu awungiyeke, ubuhlungu sungumnganami, ubuhlungu sowufana nomzali kimi, ubuhlungu sowunjengengubo kumina, awusangiyeke ubuhlungu, uyozungiyeke nini ngoba lokho ungiphephetha kuhle kwamoya, ubuhlungu salungiyeke, uyabona yonke into oyenzayo sokuvezela abantu ukuthi emotionally no, wait until you are okay, ungikhanike ukhuluma ngobuhlungu, ungikhane kodwa ngani? Okay, let's continue. Luke chapter number 22, verse number 31. Satan has asked for you that he may sift you as wheat. Uyeza ukuthi impahla zakho masidabukile uSathane uyakuqela. Petro, ufuna ukuba busy ngawo. Because he saw ukuthi Petro unesikhala wathi angene ngayo. Nangizonke. Waphika uJesu Petro amazi. Wathi ngiyazi indoda le yemfazi, angiyazi indoda le. Wathi Sathane wakubona ukuthi le impahla zakhe zakamoya azikapheleli wangena ngayo. Judas wabona ukuthi impahla zakhe zakamoya azikapheleli wangena phakathi kwakhe. Ngiyangeza kwa. Let's say this. Where there are gaps in a man's covering, pressure finds access. You see, nomfundisi wakho lo ufuna ube umzalwane okhulile. Hayi umzalwane ogugile. Nikhona kodwa? Mina I want you to be a matured Christian. Ungathi ogugile. Uthi ndala mina ngathatha uJesu mina. 19 ngobaliphondo kodwa ugugile awukakhulu. You are still a baby mawukhuluma. Angifuni ukuthi ugugile, ufuna ukuthi wenze njani? Ukhulile. Yangizomos. That's what we're looking for. Let them ngifundisa uyakhulisa ke kamoya. Let them ngifundisa ngenza kamoya. Let me read that again. Where there are gaps in a man's covering, pressure finds access. Mina nganza wethu ngiphole ekhanda. Niyakwazi lokho? Ngiphole ekhanda ngifasa nephondo ngingenawo. Angina pressure. Mfundisi bemele ngidrive iMercedes angina pressure. Mfundisi bemele ngabe sekashadile manje sifuna umama la sontweni angina pressure. Mfundisi awugibela izindiza kunama branch all over the country angina pressure. Mfundisi bekafuna usebenzisa the latest iPhone angina pressure. Ngithole ekhanda. Ngipholeka bongichazela ngiyakutshela ngithi vala ukhazi ngi-right now ngipole ekhaya. When people come with their own structure of your life bese ufakela iphemile leyo ngifakela ipressure you can't ungangeke ngathi bangicela ukufaka amajini ngishumayela hathi abanye fundiswa njani abayimela ama-skinny jini ngathi mina ngikhofa waphela lo format uwasha kawu-4 isititch manje sesiqalile ihemming seyafela seyiqala iyadabuka lento ijini eChristianasta because phela mina ayikuthi ngizoshumayela ngiphume njengabanye abantu bavakashile la bazokhola kumnikelo baqala ibhizinisi bese ngithi umfundisi manje ukuphatha yani ngiyeka mina angiyena umfundisi mina ngiqala ibhizinisi ngizoba business man. Have you seen that? The pastors like that 1 to 4 years they are pastors never 5 wasoma business manje abasangenela nabazalwane sebabhizinisi business. Kodwa mfana ngicela umthandazi athi ngidayisa in la we are going to uyithenga. It's either you're talking about business not prayer. Jesus. Bantu bayawa. Bantu benza njani? Bayawa. Bantu benza njani? So now I don't know how I can say this, but I have to say it. Incompleteness becomes an invitation for attempts. Something is incomplete. Do you know why the enemy aqedanga finances wakho or akuhlasela in the area of your finances? The cycle, the ecosystem of your finances is not complete. God gives you money, you don't tithe. It's incomplete. You don't tithe, you don't give. There is no seed. That is why uholile imali phelile ngoba utithe. Ithi ngena ibiphela ngoba le ecosystem ithi mangiyithola kuJehova angiyibuyisele kubani kuJehova. Okunye kwale mali noma ingxenye yale mali ayekubani ayekuJehova. Ungabalabali kanti into uyithola kubani kuJehova. Uyabongwa kulombuso. Uyabongwa danki baba. Uyabonga moyo uyokhala ngemali every now and then imali mfundisi ngiyayibamba uyakunikeza imali uthe if I give you I only need 10%. Le cycle yakho ayicomplete. I-question ithi njengoba ungatithe why ungekho right? Ngoba phela ayikho imali oyimixa kuJehova kodwa impilo yakho solenza njani iyabheka. Uyabona ukuthi uyatithe impilo iba right noma awutithe uhlala ngomashonisa. Nakudala ukuba ngomashonisa kuba imali kaJehova uyimixa kuJehova. I know people who came to me who one-on-one session bahlala nami phansi bathi mfundisi ngibulawa yikoloto angazi ukuthi kuyenze kanjani ngathi nayi indaba fixa lo bakufixa ba right manje asiphindanga sakhuluma indaba yokuthi mfundisi omashonisa bamhlelelana sengiholela bona why ufixa le ecosystem. Lento ingena ngapha ibuyele ukuze uzophinda ibuye. In the book of Ecclesiastes chapter number 11 verse number 2 going down lithi hlanyela kusekuseni nasentambama ngoba usazi isivuno sakho ukuthi sizobuya nini. Yabona ke wena yonke yakho uthi mawuyithola Shoprite, Checkers, KFC, wena lapho nikhona kodwa lapha Ackermans ephephu ngithi nami ngivele lapha phela ngizofa khokhela isikholoto through it fakuthengela indoda engayithandi engabuza ukuthengele amabhoots noma ineni kwangathi ibiza ngalo leyo amabhoots noma amabhoots khona lapho konke lokho thengela indoda emayini amabhoots yoshela abanye abantu ngamabhoots wakho kanti ngawuvele wavela kuJehova the ecosystem was going to be complete. Little Bible, give, it shall be given back to you, pressed down, shaken together, and running. Oh, that is why good dry uphi kule enqolobane yakho noma kule mphongolo wakho wezemali une account kodwa i-account ebambe igama isele ngesibamba bhuku. Why kunjalo? Financially there are impurities. Umuntu uyothi ngifuna ukunikeza 1000 manje sekwengiya ukunikeza 100. That's what you do to God. Utakunikeza imali engaka ukuthi ngeke ngimnikeze imali engaka kuJehova awuthi umhlephele 10 rand nawe mawudibana nabantu bawukunikeza imalini i10 abadlala uNkulunkulu bathi okuhlanyele yiloko ozonza njani nayo mina ngisimple and I'm straightforward and I always tell people ni right kabe empilweni but ngenzela wona ukuthi sifana sibe right now uyokhala every day uyocomplain every day we are powerful in prayer but we are poor. We fast baba sithandaza nomuntu aphile manje kodwa sinamali yini indaba uyasinikeza imali uNkulunkulu bese samethembi yena ngemali abe yena asethembile hlekiwe ngemali thina bese simethembi uJehova ngani kodwa siyamethemba ngeimpendulo zokuvula umnyango womsebenzi kodwa simethembi ngokubuyela siyobonga ngale mali asinikeze yona sesisebenza. Lift you up now. Ngiyaphakamisa naye ngekubambini naye nento ekubambezelana ngakuhleli komashonisa kangaka ngakuhleli igoloteni ngaso uphumile futhi njalo uma unikeza uNkulunkulu udibana nomuntu estradini noma udibana nomuntu owakolota wazi wamupha imali yakho athi yazini ingithindile lento ngithi angibuye ngizokubuyisela imali why uyibuyisele kuJehova buyisela imali ubani okwaKesaru okwaJehova nazo-ke niyalifunda iBhayibheli okwaKesaru akuyekubani okwaJehova akuyekubani ilula lento thina isidulela impilo yenza njani thina do you know what we're faithful in our finances we are faithful nakusasa siya-abula siyokhipha ama-food parcels nakusasa Witbag zakhipha ama-food parcels Zahir-Respect zakhipha ama-food parcels sasa siya-abula siyokhipha ini si-faithful asilambi ngoba sinjani si-faithful asilambi ngoba sifundise leyo nto baba ngicela ukuba faithful train me to be faithful sambatho sakho sesibanjwe lapho nje mina sengisibona lapho esakho nje sesibanjwe lapho sekuright esakho